but I wanted the item. That's why I paid initially. I didn't pay because I want a refund. I paid because I want the item. We are in December and still the item has not arrived. And even Amazon has told me that your package might have been lost. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Dan and I discuss finance, entrepreneurship, business, anything and everything that you need to be a success in life. You are welcome back to this channel. I want to tell you a story, and at the end of the story, you will help me answer if it is Amazon FBA or Shopify dropshipping. Please guys, smash the like button now so that YouTube will recommend this video for your friends to also watch it. For those of you that are not aware of Amazon FBA and Shopify dropshipping, I have videos for both of them that's being shown in the link you are seeing now. But as a quick summary, Amazon FBA is when you buy in stock and send it to Amazon warehouse to keep for you, so that when people order the item, Amazon will do the shipping on your behalf. Your own role is just to purchase the item from AliExpress or Alibaba.com. Most times it's an inventory, which means it's a stock of items. Then you order your supplier from Alibaba.com to ship it to Amazon warehouse that you pick, and Amazon will store the item for you, so that when people order for that item on Amazon website, Amazon will collect the item from the warehouse and send to the customer. So you are the one that owns the item, but Amazon helps you to manage the shipping, the storage, and the fees. The revenue comes to you, of course, but Amazon takes about 33% of it for helping you to store the item, for handling the shipping and other services that it offers. In contrast, dropshipping is similar but a different model. The major difference between dropshipping and Amazon FBA is Amazon FBA involves buying in stock, but dropshipping involves buying an item instead of buying in stock, and you don't store it in a warehouse. For dropshipping, you have your own website on Shopify. When the customer orders for an item on Shopify, then by the use of Obalo, you are able to request for the same item on AliExpress.com. Then the supplier at AliExpress will send the item to the address you've supplied, you feed in. And most likely, you don't feed your own address, you feed the address of the customer. Instead of having an inventory of items, you buy items as customers request for it. If a customer requests to buy a wristwatch, for example, you go to AliExpress and request for the same wristwatch. Then the supplier will send the wristwatch to the customer that requested for it. You have most likely bought an item from Amazon, and you can agree with me that the delivery just take a day or two. In fact, Amazon even have same day delivery for Amazon Fresh, for you to know how efficient Amazon is in delivering products. Unlike Shopify dropshipping that takes about 3 to 4 weeks to get delivered to you. I went to Amazon website to order for an exotic plant, a floral stem 130 cm artificial palm plant, exotic decor for home and office. Yes, I ordered for it in order to make my house more beautiful. You can agree with me that I'm a fan of plants. I have here, and I have another plant here. So I wanted like a taller plant, and I was like, okay, this is 130 cm plant, so let me go for it. Amazon, let's go for it. Of course, check the review. What attracted me to this plant in particular is the height, 130 cm. I was like, wow, yes, it's a tall plant. There are few sharp palm plants as tall as that. It's tall, it's beautiful. I would like to have it to replace this smaller one that you are seeing on the background. I was like, let me get this plant. It's beautiful. Oh, what a plant. I love palm plant. The description were fantastic. The color is green, the material is plastic, the brand is floral stem. It has 5 branches with 28 fabric leaves. It's pot covered with false mouth. It's potted in plastic pot, and the size is 130 cm and the pot is 17 cm by 14 cm. I was like, wow, it's a good plant. I would like to get it. After checking the review, it has a review of 4.2 out of 5. Okay, I always prefer to go for what is 4.5 and above, but since it's a very top plant, I can be forgiven with that. And 4.2 is not bad for a plant as beautiful and as tall as that. So like Amazon, give me my plant. I placed the order on the 23rd of October 2020 and hoping that in 2 or 3 days, Amazon will send the plant to me. But unlike other items that I ordered on the same day, Amazon told me that this would most likely take a month. So I should expect 12th of November to 22nd of November. So I was like, wow, I can wait for a month to get this plant that I love so much. I waited on 12th for the plant. I didn't receive the plant. So okay, I was like, that's the first day that Amazon gave me. Let me wait till the end of the day, which is 22nd of November. The plant did not arrive. So I waited practically for a month to get my order delivered by Amazon. And Amazon did not deliver the product. Wow. I want to go and track the package. It keeps showing that no, it's awaiting delivery. They have shipped it, they have sent it, it's on its way. I should wait for 1 or 2 days, I will receive the plant. Okay, I was like, okay. They also gave me the opportunity to ask for a refund. Hey, even though the plant cost about £50, I'm not so interested with the refund compared to the plant. I want this plant. So I didn't request for a refund. Contacted the seller through the link that Amazon gave to me. He never replied. And now they are telling me that my package may be lost. You can see what is written on the screen. We are very sorry your delivery is so late. Although it may still arrive, you can request a refund now. What will I do? So at the end of November, I couldn't wait anymore for this plant. So I have to request for my refund. And luckily, Amazon processed the refund faster than what was quoted on the website. So kudos to Amazon. Even though I've requested for a refund and I've gotten my about £50 back, but which I paid for the plant, I just wanted to bring it to you, my friends. Is it Amazon FBA or Shopify dropshipping? Because the item was actually being shipped from China. As soon as I ordered for the item on Amazon website, Amazon told me it took long because it will be ordered from China. So which means the supplier does not have an inventory in Amazon warehouse. Rather, it keeps the inventory in China. When I request for a plant on Amazon website, the supplier will send it from China to me in London. Okay, some of you will be like, there are other plants there. Do you know how many times I've researched for a plant like that, as tall as that, as beautiful as that, and it's a floral stem plant? I am very specific with this plant. With the way I've told you how Amazon FBA work and Shopify dropshipping work, would you say that this is Amazon FBA or Shopify dropshipping? Because it's as if seller is using dropshipping concept on Amazon website. And how do Amazon wish to approach this? Because it's not a good name on them, even though the refund was quick. So guys, that's the story of shopping on Amazon website, hoping it will be the Amazon FBA concept. But surprisingly, I saw the dropshipping model working on Amazon website. Did it actually work? Because I didn't receive my package. It failed. And that's the fundamental problem with dropshipping model. You are not in control of the delivery. The delivery is almost at the mercy of the supplier and the different agency involved in shipping an item. For people that are considering of starting Amazon FBA or Shopify dropshipping, I hope that this is not just a story for you to watch and feel like it's just a plant. No, but for you to learn and think of how you can improve the process so that we, your customers, will be happy to buy from you and give you a 5-star rating. People left reviews on that. Should I go and give my own review? Thank you guys for watching. Please guys, smash the like button now so that YouTube will recommend this video for your friends to also watch it. Thank you guys. You are the best. Yes, you are the best.